I'm going to show you how to clean your microwave from the inside out. Before we start cleaning, it's always important to remove movable parts. Actually, in general, you don't want to keep your metal rack in your microwave unless you're using it. It can cause problems with the microwave. So after we finish cleaning this, we're going to put it away instead of keeping it in our microwave. So let's take this out. And then next, you're going to take out the glass tray, which enables everything to work on the turntable. This definitely needs some cleaning, so we're going to clean that separately. And then another part, you have your turntable, the wheels. You're going to remove this as well because for the most part it's clean. You've got it protected by the glass turntable most of the time, so you don't have to worry about this being cleaned. You also don't want to use harsh chemicals on it. Not that we're going to, but you just want to keep it as clean as possible. So we're going to remove it, set it to the side. And so we have left our microwave. You can see we've got some crumbs on the inside here. So we're going to just kind of sweep those out while we get ready for our next step.